Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel TradeTechAnalysis, and here I am with another good indicator that I have created and published on TradingView. This indicator name is Directional Sentiment Line, also known as Directional Indicator. It is designed to provide directional insights about price movements, emphasizing breakouts and reversals with a focus on statistical ranges, crossovers, and the ATR-based calculation. So here is a breakdown and how they contribute to the indicator. So first one is about the trend visualization with high and low ranges. So this is about these lines. The blue line is the high range. It represents the smooth average of high price over the input length. This one, below line represents the smooth average of low prices over the same period. This I have defined in the input length here. This one, okay? It is based on its calculation. So uh, when price is above the this area, it becomes green, and price is bullish whenever it is above this line. And when price comes down below this line, it becomes red, and it shows that the minimum low within the range, signaling potential support or breakdown points. Okay, so that's how it works. Purpose is to highlight critical price levels over a defined period to provide immediate visual cues for a breakout or support and resistance levels. Okay, the second one is dynamic ribbon plots. So plots a ribbon between high and low levels. So basically when price is above, this line becomes orange, this blue line, and when price comes down to this level, it becomes orange here. So it is the plotting of these levels to tell us the direction. Okay, these are customizable, you can change it. And like I said, price when goes above and this line, this area becomes green, and when it is price comes below, then it becomes red. Okay, so it is in that way provide a clear color based visual representation of market conditions, and it is clearly visible, right? This is what the purpose of this indicator. Okay, third one is very important, that is ATR based target zones. In this indicator, I am using ATR, which is average to range, for calculating the upper or lower targets. In this case, right now it shows this is the target area. Price can come in this range and can be decline either from this level, in this range, or this range. And if it is super bullish, then it can go above this box as well. Okay, and let me see if it is available on the lower range as well. Just to give you the example, it's already in the green zone, it's in the nifty. Let me show you on 15-minute, I think. Let it calculates. No, not here as well. So just wanted to show you the bottom price targets as well, which is right now I don't see, but yes, it's clearly visual, and it will be able to tell you that this is the price range, and this can be the potential target at the bottom side as well. So that's how this ATR based target zones works. So likewise, in Nifty or Bank Nifty, it can come up to this level and might get reject from here. Otherwise, it can go up as well. But it is to provide targets. Targets can be further up as well, right? I mean, there is no restriction. So it doesn't mean that, price will go of our level 200%. It can be 150% as well, 200% as well. So like this, I have used this calculation to provide us the target range as well. Okay. So the purpose is basically using the green box is to set take profit levels for long trades, and the red box is basically for short trades profit booking levels. So that's how the purpose is. The fourth one is also about detecting and marking the events. So whenever price crosses above the high average after sustained upward momentum, this is the high of the average, this is the low of the average, this range, right? The top and bottom of the red or green, this is the range. When price closes above, it provides a green triangle for the buy and sell when it is below this level. So in this condition, it provides a buy or sell signal. Up arrow basically indicates potential buy opportunity after a crossover, and sell signal is basically after a cross under. And the final point is signal filtering. I have implemented a cool down mechanism built in the code that let's say if it has given a signal, it won't provide another signal if the conditions are being met, because there is already a signal. So that way I have avoided noise filtration so that it doesn't provide us multiple buy or sell signals. Right now I have defined it by default 5. That is, the purpose is only to avoid the false signals in the volatile markets and to avoid the noise on the chart. So the customization now we can talk about. The by default I'm using the length is 75 SMA, okay, and the ATR length 500, and training time that I've used is 500 for buy and sell signal. Okay, so that is about the indicator, and you can see already the performance. It said long here, the price was literally up. We had multiple signals. It was touching this line and going up. So as long as it is green, you can hold the trade. And on the downside, when we get a signal, and see, here we got a breakdown, but there was no signal. This time we got a signal because there is certain condition. And after that, it was in the red zone, and then there was it tried to uh, crap and then went down again. So similar here as well. So it's very hard, in sideways market to predict how market is behaving, but still, this indicator tries to capture the directions. This is like I said in the starting. This is a directional indicator. Okay, it is well versed to capture the directional trends. Basically, when price is downtrend or uptrend, it provides you a good signals. Okay, so here it is, and I will post the details of this indicator in the description so that you can try it and use it. That is available for free of cost. And for sideways and trending market, you guys know I already have an indicator, but that is a paid one, which is sentiment cycle indicator. So this indicator is able to capture the sideways market, where it doesn't tell you to buy or sell. It is simply providing no signal there. So that in that indicator, I'm able to capture the sideways and the directional sentiment as well. Okay, with this, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. And if you like my indicators, if you like my videos, please share with your friends and comment as well. Take care.